good and a burrito's out.
And I don't really like burritos
Move
either.
to Oregon and school out. You just
I'm gonna dip.
constantly festive press.
I'm gonna dip my meat in it. How should I do this? What's the easiest way to do this? I never cooked outside before. Like, I don't want fries. Okay, we're about to go outside where it's burning
well,
freaking
that's what
hot.
she said. I love potatoes and chips.
That does not. I don't trust people that only eat just multiple carbs with their dinner. Jesus Christ. Low and slow? Who cooks their short ribs low and slow? Is that how you're supposed to do it? Because I got it on high. It's on high. I hope this thing was worth the money. That's what you want to eat? Holy crap, I need freaking sunscreen! I wish I could fit all of you on here right now. I cannot fit them all. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so hot. Woo! It's gonna be like, I hope you're staying clear of fires. Yes, definitely. I'm in Texas. Holy shit, you guys, I need to go inside. Okay, we'll come back in 5 minutes or so. I don't freaking know. I never cooked on that thing, really. So I don't know what the cook time is. How long does corn boil? I think it's done. Oh my god. It's so hot.
Hey there, beautiful
You
chef.
guys, can we get to the number 99? And can everyone tap this screen and
What flag is in her bio?
go to tiktok.com/coins?
Damn, they need to put a shade over the balcony.
Yeah, that's why I wasn't going to go until sunset. But I just thought I might as well just do it now.
The weather is very hot.
Yeah, it's really hot. It is
I want to touch it.
96 degrees right now. But it definitely feels
Hi, my
hotter.
darling.
It feels like it's 104. So that's like, what, 39 Celsius or so? No, not 39 Celsius. Fahrenheit is, it's 40 Celsius. 40 Celsius.
iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Mm-hmm. Hi, Wormy. How are you? Yeah, that's the flag. Ooh, it smells good out here. Okay, let's do it this way. I mean, I'm sure. I wish it was